This is Gimpic 402 for UK Lock Sport. Gonna try and pick the Master Lock M15 again. I've done a few practice runs off camera and it's gone well. I've done it in, well, I'd say about under a minute. So with this lock, it's going to have to be top of the keyway because the opening at the bottom of the keyway is big and you tend to have the tension wrench slip into that little gap there at the bottom. It's top of the keyway. And get the pick, stop the camera. Let's try this then. Off camera it was easy, now on camera. No, I will say, well, one bloke messaged me the other day on YouTube and said the camera adds about 10 pins. Oh. That click click click, I think I've done 3 on that one, I think. This isn't exactly picking, but there you are. And open. And I'll drop the tension wrench on the floor. There we go. And that there is the Master Lock M15. And there's the key. Lock it up, turn the key, and that was open in what, say, under a minute. And that there is supposed to be, according to Master's Security, that is a level 10 lock, and somebody's new to lock picking, just pick that in about a minute. And the same thing goes for the M5 as well. Let's see if I can do that one. No, I've done it the other day, quite quick. Well, it took me about 3 minutes to do it. You can do bottom of the keyway with this one, but there's someone on YouTube done a picked this and done a technique. It's not exactly picking, it's almost like raking, but you don't go backwards and forwards. And it worked. He said it works great with this lock, and I've just done it with the M15. So you put it in right to the bottom of the keyway, put the pick up, and then you just zip it out. It doesn't get caught up, and there you are. That there is open, and reset it, and that one is done in about a minute as well. This is Gimpic 402 for UK Lock Sport, signing off.